Hindi ka ba nagulat nung pagpasok mo sa Kongreso? Kasi 318 kayo, di ba? Tapos sinasabi mo nga na collegial body, in effect, parang nagkakaroon ng omerta, no? I mean, hindi na lang nagre-report ng isa sa bawat isa. Out of the 318 sa tingin mo, ilan doon ang mapagkakatiwalaan?
Well, I'm sure karamihan naman ay may good intentions. Pero the system is such that kung hindi ka gumawa ng mga masasama, hindi ka din mabibigyan ng pondo na kailangan ng distrito mo. Kaya ang paliwanag naman sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko sa loob ng Kongreso nung bago akong congressman, yung mga project ng DPWH, meron talagang SOP para sa congressman, pero kailangan yan para sa mga gastusin mo sa iyong distrito. Eh, that's an admission of corruption that is uttered by many congressmen to us new members of Congress. Pero kung hindi natin ititigil ang sistemang ito, tuloy-tuloy na we have a system where politicians have to spend significantly for their district expenses, but commit illegal acts to gain the funds to spend.
Teka lang, sino may sabi doon? Sino nagsabi sa'yo na merong ganong SOP?
Ayan po ang pinag-uusapan sa floor ng Kongreso.
Pero kayo-kayo lang ba yun? Hindi ba?
Kaya ayoko po yung hypocrisy ng Congress kasi lahat naman ay may kaalaman na ang mga DPWH projects ay may SOP. Pinapaliwanag lang sa aming mga bagong congressman, ganyan talaga ang sistema. Pero
What is wrong with having SOP? Just
it's illegal to
kasi dapat
receive illegal contributions from contractors. Dapat kung may ibibigay tayo para sa mga mamamayan, deklarado at legal. Hindi yung manggagaling sa mga contractor ng DPWH. And it goes to a more essential problem that not enough people talk about, which is that former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo said in the Blue Ribbon last year, almost 100% of bids in the DPWH are rigged. Medyo lumalayo na tayo sa initial question niyo, pero ang point ko lang is that it's staring us right in front of us that there's corruption, in his words, almost 100%. And why isn't the public up in arms about it? I suppose the media is not really making that much of a big deal about it either, and it's not in the interest of other members of Congress to admit that
it's already
it's not isolated.
Institutional in the sense that it's been there for a long time. Ikaw na nagsabi.
Yung ikinalulungkot ko lang po kasi pinapalabas na isolated cases and that we're doing something about it. And that's why many others can't help but say that there is selectivity in those that are being prosecuted now, because actually we really have to cleanse the whole system and not just have isolated